my channel, Plant-Based Storm. I'm Stormy, and today we're gonna do Nigiri Sushi. Okay, so I already steamed my rice, and I just put this in the Instapot and I do like a 1-to-1 ratio, so 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water, or 2 cups of rice to 2 cups of water. This was 2 cups of rice. I don't know that I'll use all of that. Another thing we're gonna use today is water with a couple splashes of rice vinegar. This just helps keep the rice from sticking to your fingers so that it's a whole lot easier to work with. And then another thing that I went ahead, this looks kind of yucky, but this is a roasted red bell pepper, and you can see the skin's already peeled off. I put this in the oven at 450, probably for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, somewhere around there, and you've got to continue to turn the pepper so that it doesn't just burn on one side. Of course, it may vary depending on your oven, but this is what's gonna replace the fish. We're gonna need a sheet of nori to tie our sushi up with, so just 1 sheet will work, and an avocado. So I'm just gonna cut around here at the top. Go ahead and cut it down the middle, kind of where this vein is at. Open it up and get this seed ball out of there. Just like that. And then just gently open this up all the way across. Get a spoon and gently scrape the seeds out. Okay, so for this next part, we're going to form the rice balls. So this is where you need the water and the rice vinegar. I'm just gonna take this, pour a couple splashes in my water. The vinegar supposedly helps keep bacteria from building up whenever you're using this, working with your hands, and the water keeps it from, you know, sticking to your hands. So you just like dip your fingers in and kind of get it all over your hands evenly, and grab a big ball of rice. And that is how you do a nigiri rice ball. The next part is going to be to take our red bell pepper and lay it in our hand. This is cooked side up because I don't want the black marks from cooking to show. And then you take your rice and you kind of press it into that and flip it over. Since the avocado is a little bit more delicate and can get mushy really quickly, I'm just gonna take this nori sheet and cut it and probably about a 1/2 inch strip. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a couple while I'm doing this. It is super simple, but simple is good whenever you're making it at home. But you could make this for like a little small party or something like that. It would be significantly less, and it would be a great dish to bring because it is so pretty and delicious. Hey y'all, so that's how I make easy nigiri sushi. If you would like to see more of what's in this series, I'll put a link up here in the corner. Check it out and drop a line below and let me know how it went. Thanks so much for watching.